Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 4 of Strategic Management. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong, and I wanted to kind of introduce week 4 to you guys and let you guys know kind of what we're looking at. So this week we're going to be looking at chapters 7 and 8 of the textbook. So we're looking at strategies for competing in international markets and corporate strategies, diversification, and multi-business corporations. So Dr. Agee is going to do a great job of going in there and explaining some of this material to you guys, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that. But we'll go down and we'll see kind of what's required this week. So in week 4, we have the discussion, or had a devotional due on day 1. I look forward to you guys' responses. As always, I'll respond in the grade book as well for you guys, so you guys have this information for everything. We also have week 4 discussion, which have the initial post due on day 3, and additional post for at least 2 others by day 7. We also have a week 4 quiz, which have questions here, 40 questions on that. I have received questions about kind of how we do better on those. And I know grades are kind of lower on those things because they're definitely timed and a little bit harder to do. I don't really have any kind of tips or tricks on this because it definitely is one of those things where it's just material from the book. So I do apologize for that, but those are due on day 7. And we also have analysis and application questions due on day 7 as well. I look forward to really working through different items with you guys and really trying to understand exactly what you guys need, and really try to help out where I can. So if you guys have any questions, need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.